Hey everyone, just hopping on here to tell you guys exactly what I have planned for the next 50 days. I'm a Canadian swimmer. I travel up to Canada and compete at meets like Canadian Open and Canadian Trials. But this year, I'm a senior, meaning I can't go up there and compete off of the junior cuts. And I am right off the senior cuts in all three breaststroke events, the 50, 100, and 200. In 51 days is my last and only chance to qualify for trials this year. So for the next 50 days, I will be taking you guys through the entire journey, going from how much I've slept, what I eat, what I drink, everything, all my sets, what I do in the gym, how I recover, everything on here as realistic as possible to not only keep myself accountable, but to show you guys what it's like for a non-NCAA athlete who's competing at high level meets to train. So in case you guys want to follow along, drop a follow, share. I'm trying to build a community so I can keep getting these videos out to you. Don't worry, I'll keep my regular challenge videos going, but for these next 50 days, expect daily uploads. All right, see you soon.